Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, December 10th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You can see here with what happened with the Dow. It opened lower this morning, then rallied, went positive for about an hour or so, and then backed off into negative territory. Again, rallied a little, went positive later in the day, and then sold off a little here right at the end, officially closing down 28 points, basically moving sideways. Um, in spite of this rather unconvincing action in the Dow, we had a pretty decent day. The best thing was we were negative nearly $3,000 yesterday on our open trade, and we closed that out with positive over $5,000. So that's a good move for us equity wise. Very happy with that. We got into 5 new positions today, only 5, but every single one was positive. Don't see that very often. That'd be 100% positive, and we're holding positive $8,400 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. So that all looks really good. I'll show you 3 of our stocks. We have nothing super great today, but everything's pretty much positive across the board. So that always feels good. This first one I'm showing you is PCG. That's PG&E Corporation, and we had bought this yesterday right out of the gate. It actually closed a little against us yesterday, but it popped up this morning, and we got out with $2,600, believe it or not. There doesn't look very much on this chart, but that was $2,600 profit that we took out of PCG, and then it kept going here. We got re-entered today, and for a while it was really up there in the sky. It unfortunately did pull back some, but not too badly there, and we're holding another $2.4 thousand in PCG. So you put those 2 trades together last 2 days, and we have $5,000 in this power company. So very nice there. I like that. Then the second one here, I'm going to show you. This wasn't a big trade, but it's pretty nice. This is AUPH. That's ARNA Pharmaceuticals. This is the one that I'm still having nightmares about. We missed by a whisker getting into this the day before, a huge move, and if we had gotten into that, if we had made that whisker, we would have had like a $35,000 to $40,000 trade in this stock. It didn't happen, and this is not a $35,000 to $40,000 trade. We got into this on a pop up here right out the gate, and it went up pretty nicely, but did pull back some. But we are still holding $1,900 in open trade profit in ARNA Pharmaceuticals. And then finally, our biggest trade, which is still pretty modest, but we're going to take everything we can get. This is RKDA, which is Arcadia Biosciences. And this thing popped up this morning. We grabbed it right away, and it pretty much kept going there, closed fairly close to its high, and we are holding positive $3,000 in open trade equity in Arcadia Biosciences. So just a nice, easy, consistent day with some halfway decent profits. That's what I like. No hair pulling or white knuckle stuff today. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.